In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Checker Plus for Gmail to Chrome. If you want quick Gmail notifications and a simple way to see your inbox without opening a full Gmail tab, this extension is a great time saver. Here's how to get it set up smoothly. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by opening a new tab and searching for Chrome Web Store, then clicking the official store result. Once you're on the store page, look for the search box at the top. Type Checker Plus for Gmail into the search bar. You're looking for the official extension named Checker Plus for Gmail TM. On its listing page, you'll notice it has a very large user base, typically over 1 million users, along with strong reviews. That's a good sign you're in the right place. Always double-check the name and the user count to avoid lookalikes. Click the extension result to open its page, then select Add to Chrome. A small confirmation will pop up. Click Add Extension to approve. The download and install only take a few seconds. Once it's installed, Chrome will confirm it's ready. If you don't immediately see the icon, click the puzzle piece in the toolbar and pin Checker Plus so it's always visible. Next, click the Checker Plus icon in your Chrome toolbar to get started. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Go ahead and sign in, then allow the Gmail access permissions. These permissions let the extension read your inbox data securely so it can display your unread count, show previews, and send notifications. This is essential for the extension to work as intended. From here, you're all set. Checker Plus essentially gives you a mini Gmail dashboard right inside Chrome. You can glance at your unread messages, open an email quickly, or get notified the moment something new arrives, all without loading the full Gmail website. It's especially handy if you manage email throughout the day and want to stay focused in your current tabs. To recap, visit the Chrome Web Store, search for Checker Plus for Gmail TM, add it to Chrome, confirm the install, then click the icon to sign in and grant access. After that, try clicking the icon to see your inbox at a glance. That's all it takes to streamline your Gmail workflow inside Chrome.